Classification of the main Eucra, Kingdom Protista, Kingdom Protista includes Eukaryotes, which are unicellular or colonial, are filamentous or simple multicellular. Mul- Multicellular means that they do not have multicellular cell organs. There are three type of protists. Plant like protists called algae have cell wall made of cellulose. They have chlorophyll in chloroplast and are autotrophy. Euglena and diatoms are a common example. Animal like protists called protozoans are heterotrophs. Common example fungus like protista called molds absorb nutrients from decaying organic matter. Their cell walls are made of cellulose instead of the chi-
ओए इधर
chitin.
को होके रहते हो नाजी आंटी की, वरना तुम ना बुक
Small
ले
lime
खींच के
molds
ले
and
जाओगे।
water molds are
हाँ जी,
example.
तुम बुक खींच के ले जाओगे। इतने तुम एक तो लड्डू
The
पेड़े
shell
जिससे
of
रसगुल्ले जैसे
chitin.
हो। तुम इतने
Chitin is the
क्यूट क्यों
hard shell of
हो, इतने ज्यादा क्यूटे प्यूटे क्यों हो रहे
kingdom
हैं?
fungi. The king a big part of the kingdom consists of fungi. They are, yeah, here is the pics of Euglena, Paramecium, slime mold and the water mold. Kingdom fungi. The kingdom consists of fungi. They are heterotrophic fungi, get nutrient in a unique way. They do not ingest food like animals and some They absorb food from decaying matter present in their surroundings. Fungi are eukaryotic and have cell wall around their cell. Their cell wall is made of chitins in smuts and molds, while a few are unicellular, e.g. yeast. Smut fungi only toadstool. Figs are common. Bracket fungi, sweet tooth fungi, fungi's kingdom. Fun plantae. It includes plants which are eukaryotic, multicellular organisms with cell walls made of
हनुमाई
cellulose. They are autotrophic. They made their food itself like plants, but and heterotrophy. They do not make their dependent like human and prepare food through photosynthesis. All plants have organs during sexual reproduction. They from embryos as sexual reproduction through vegetative parts is also common. Examples are mosses, ferns, conifer, and flowering plants. Moss flowering, the ferns and conifers, and the flowering. Kingdom of Animalia. The kingdom includes animals which are eukaryotic, multicellular, and heterotrophic. They develop from embryos. They ingest food mm, and digest within their bodies. Vertebrates and invertebrates are included in kingdom Animalia. Status of virus and classification. Viruses are ultra microscopic creatures that are the borderline of living and non-living. They are are cellular, that is, they are not made of cells and do not have organelle. A virus consists of nucleic acid, DNA or RNA surrounded by a protein coat. They cannot run metabolism for synthesis of their proteins, and to increase in number, viruses become parasites in organisms, plants, animals, and bacteria. Viruses are not included in the classification system because they lack any of the characteristics of three domain of life. Figure of two common viruses left: bacteria, phage virus, which attack bacteria, and right influenza virus. This is the shape of Doors, Doris bacteria virus, Doris pura. Protein which spread influenza. Proteins and viroid are also cellular particles and are also not included in classification system. Points are composed of protein only, and viroids are composed of circular RNA only. Both these particles cause infection disease in the certain plants. They are also causes of cancer. Causes. Characteristic of domain and kingdom of the life domain: archaea, bacteria, eucra. Kingdom: archaebacteria, yobos, Eubobacteria, protista, fungi, plantae, animalia. Cell type: prokaryotic, eukaryotic, eukaryotic, eukaryotic. Nuclear envelope: absent, present. Cell wall: archaebacteria, peptides or and protein. Bacteria, peptidoglycan present in some virus types. Chitins aren't shells. Single archaea, single cellular, and the type of they are the virus, not or bacteria. So they are eukaryotic, cellulose and other absent. फ्रेम में फर्स्ट हम यहाँ the name made of characteristics of domains and kingdom of life. Mode of nutrition: autotrophy or heterotrophy, absorptive heterotrophy, autotrophy, ingestive heterotrophy, multicellular, absent in most, present in all, present in all. जे तू थोड़ी घबरा जा मेरी याद तन्ने आजा तू दे दिए लाइफ डिपेंड ऑफ दिस आ जाऊंगा तोड़ू दुनिया की रीत रे के हार तक चाहिए तेरी प्रीत मैंने खो जाऊंगा देख बावरा बना दूंगा फंगस लाइक प्रोटेस्ट ये kind of है यहाँ ये classification of this Julina the same like but there are with differentiate with the difference in the name and the characteristics of this coronavirus. Identified in late 2019 in Wuhan, China, It caused a pandemic or respiratory illness called COVID 19. The virus primarily spreads through respiratory droplets. When an infected person coughs, sneezing, talk, or breathes, it can also spread by touching surface contaminated with the virus. Wearing a mask over nose and mouth can help to prevent the spread of disease. Common symptoms of this disease include fever, cough, shortness of breath, fatigue, body itches, loss of taste or smell, sore throat, and headache in the some cases. It can lead to severe respiratory problems, especially in older adult and person with underlying health condition. Washing hands frequently with soap for at least 20 seconds or use of hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol can also prevent the spread of disease. Vaccination plays a crucial role in protecting from COVID 19. Vaccines help immune system of recognize and fight the virus, reducing the severity of the diseases. Binomial nomana, nomenclatures. The great Swedish biologist Carl Linnaeus was the founder of the system of giving scientists name of the organism. The scientific name of an organism consists of two parts. The first part is the name of the genus to which the organism belongs. The second part in the aenir is the name of the species. The system of specific naming of organism is termed common name. The scientific name: onion, onion, allium kippa, potato, solnum, tuber, tuberosum, tomato, solnum, esculentum, honeybee, apis serena, tiger, panthera, tigris, human being, homo, spines. Bio significance of binomial nomenclature. In binomial nomenclature, two organisms cannot have the same name. The words of scientific name are taken from Latin language spoken by no country, so country is favored. The scientific name of a standard of an organism is same anywhere in the world. This system provides biologists in Chinese, Arabic, Spanish, or English. Viruses, virus, virus regions have regions have different names for the same organism. Each example greater the common name of onion is Urdu is pyaz, but in different regions of Pakistan it is also known as ganda or basil. In other countries it has other sets of name. In some cases several different organisms are called by the same common name. E.g., blue bell is used for dozens of plants with bell-shaped flowers. Similar, Similarly, blackbird is used for crow as well as for raven. Common names have a no scientific basis. For example, a fish is a vertebrate animal with a backbone, fins, and gills. But several common names of silverfish, crayfish, jellyfish, and starfish do not fit to the two defi- definition of fish. Rules of binomial nomenclature. The scientific the scientific naming of an organism is done according with some international rules. Some important rules of binomial nomenclature are the four scientific naming words are taken from Latin language. Every two, number one and number two is every scientific name has two parts. The genus name always comes first, followed by the species name. Number three, every scientific name should have to be unique because the same name cannot be used for naming two different organisms. Fourth, the part of the name that is genus name should be in the with a capital letter. The second part of the name that is species name should be in with the small letter. And the fifth, at the time of printing of a scientific name, it should be typed in italics. And the sixth, when a scientific name would be handwriting, two parts of it should be separately underlined.